we made it to the train. We made it to the train. Got a little Nebinzalare matchy thing. But yeah, we're on our way to Manchester now. We're going to try and see if we could drop his bags off at the hotel. And then... Wingstop at 11. Opposite 11. So, yeah. We're going to need to go to Primark. And I want to go popmart. So... On a scale of 1 to Troy, how are you doing? We put makeup on. Oh. We put makeup on because we've got spoons and that, so we're like,
this is
a little bit presentable. But yeah, we're like how long away? We're like 10 minutes away, 15 minutes away.
Start Oxford Road.
Anyway, bye. We have arrived. We've arrived. Let's go. We want to go spoon breakfast. Oh.
Mate, we're gonna have to leave like an extra hour for getting ready to sort this fucker out. Jesus.
So that's negative Nancy, and that's what she thinks of this hotel. But we're here. We're here. We got here. It's special. It's not
a special place in our heart.
It does hold a special place in our heart. But yeah. Look at my little daughter. Mama. But yeah, we're gonna go to Primark and we're going to go to popmart.
Well, going to popmart. I'm going spoons while she goes popmart.
And yeah, that's what we're gonna do now. Because it's literally like, what time is it? Like 11?
Yeah.
It's like 11, so
We've got ages.
yeah. Yeah, that's that and that. That's that and that and this.
That's like your rat scrap bag.
Show me this.
Show us.
Oh, amazing. Naturally, we found the spoons. Naturally, we're having a pint. Naturally.
I'm being really good though. I'm having a liquid breakfast.
Yeah, no doubt. So, trusted Maya to go up and order food. Never doing that again. We wanted a bowl of a 5 bowl each of chicken wings from Spoons. This arrives.
It's confusing.
And then that bowl as well.
They're both lots of 10. Well, the guy didn't understand what I meant. Because I was like, can I have 2 bowls? He was like, so 10? I was like, yeah. He was like, so 2, like, it's big bowls. I'm like, sure. Like, if they come in a big bowl together, that's fine. What, he meant 2 10 big bowls because they're both little bowls come with 5.
Can I get a chicken burger with that? What was that, sweetie?
He said he wants a chicken burger with rooster sauce.
Okay. Chicken burger with rooster sauce. Okay, yeah, chicken nugget. So...
Can't you hear him? He said he wants the chicken nuggets.
So yeah, I've just had a breakfast as well. Maya's cracking on with her breakfast.
I'm like, we're not going to eat
We're not going to eat 20 fucking chicken nuggets, chicken things. Yeah, at least nice.
Yeah. I'm not cut off like 5 minutes of my time.
No, this is my complaint because I want to go into popmart.
Yeah, damn right.
We're queuing.
So happy.
Look at him. That's the one that I want. I want that one. That's the one I have.
No worries, Tyler.
I didn't get a Labubu, so I'm treating myself to a Miffy toothbrush.
I'm treating myself to a Crochet.
Turn around, you bought 6 Labubu. Hello. We're back in the hotel.
There's a cute little guy.
We're back in the hotel and we're doing some stalking. We're doing some class A stalking. But
So nonchalant with it.
yeah, we're near a pub and there's like cute little bend boys. You can't see. One sec. There we go. Jeans. Stars. Jeans. Stars. And then I've got a mesh top. Got a mesh top for over the top of it. But yeah, we're meant to set off in like 40 minutes. But we've not drunk.
I've got vodka though, so you can just drink that neat and then you'll get real drunk.
I'm just going to take a cider in my pocket. And then have it in the queue. So hopefully we're at the front again. I've got a good feeling we will be. So
Cut was at the back.
We found out that one at Vans that we think are pretty freaking jiggy from Leicester are also in Manchester tonight. Performing with but yeah, I'll update you what time.
You can't just whip out that camera and start talking over me after you just said all that.
So I'll update you when we had a bit of a funny 5 minutes. Right? We'll update you when we're in the Uber. At least weather's better than yesterday.
Yeah.
It's not raining, so
We
made it. We're cracking up in his first beer. There's not that much for a queue though, I'll show you. Flash on. That's the queue. So yeah, it's currently like 20 to 6.
Yeah.
20 to 6.
We got here like 40 minutes later than we wanted to. Like, oh my god, we're going to be so way further back.
Oh, my glue's showing.
Bad. It's probably literally like what VIP was yesterday.
Yeah.
And we were still like second row back, although this venue's a lot smaller, so we'll probably be like 6 rows deep now.
But hey, it's like an hour later.
Half past it is. We've got half an hour until we're going in. There's Tesco 4-minute walk away. I want to go get more cans, but
I don't want to risk it. It's fucking freezing.
look at my hands. If I do that, white.
Cold. But yeah,
Nearly there.
we're feeling less optimistic the more it goes on because the VIP queue just builds up and up and up and up.
From now on,
From this point in,
it's just gonna be pure vibes.
we're here. We're in. Guess how much?
Oh my god.
2 double vodka cokes. Guess how much? 3, 2, 1. £19.60. Crazy. Well, it could have been worse. It could have been £19.80.
Fucking £20.
But we're so now you're alright.
I'm saying sorry for her.
That's how close we are, so
At least I'm short.
expect great things. Update. We're still sober. More pissed off.
What do you mean by that?
What do you mean by that? It's not as sticky as Glasgow.
Yeah, it's way nowhere near us.
Nowhere near as sticky as
Like,
but we're still here, I guess.
they're on in like
10 minutes?
oh 8.
7. 6. The gig's over. We're waiting for merch. Merchandise.
Merchandise.
I'm gonna go on a big fat one. I've taken Maya to another place that I know she's gonna absolutely love. I'm getting this. Stray Kids. It's a random photo card. And then I'm gonna get a thing from work so I can attach it to my bag.
So worth it.
Disgusting. I've made more amazing decisions.
Hot chocolate white waffles.
Can't see it. Let me zoom it out. I got Sunpan, I got You Know, I got No Again, and then Stray Kids. Stickers. Yay!
I can't see anything, it's all red.
That's it.
Don't like you can bleed this chibby chapel. I'm thinking on the flowers and that.
We've finished shopping now, so there's only one reasonable thing to do for the rest of our evening. She's happy again.
Yeah.